Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, and today we are breaking down a monumental clash in the Premier League, the North London derby between Tottenham Hotspur and Arsenal. This match wasn't just a fight for bragging rights, it was a crucial battle at the top of the table that could play a decisive role in the season's title race. So guys, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to never miss out on our match reviews and reactions. Now let's get into the action. This game was played in Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, where Tottenham head coach Ange Postecoglou played this game with a 4-2-3-1 formation, in which he started Vicario at goal, Pedro Porro at right back, Christian Romero and Van de Ven were the two centre backs, and Ben Davies played this game at left back. Hojbjerg and Bentancur were the two defensive midfielders. James Maddison played this game as a central attacking midfielder, Kulusevski as a right attacking midfielder, Timo Werner as a left attacking midfielder, and Heung-min Son played this game as a centre forward. While Arsenal head coach Mikel Arteta played this game with a 4-3-3 formation, in which he started David Raya at goal, Ben White at right back, William Saliba and Gabriel Jesus were the two centre backs, and Tomiyasu played this game at left back. In midfield, Thomas Partey started this game alongside Martin Odegaard and Declan Rice. While in attack, Bukayo Saka started this game at right wing, Leandro Trossard played this game at left wing, and Kai Havertz started this game as a centre forward. So guys, in a match that lived up to its high stakes, Arsenal managed to edge out Tottenham with a 3-2 victory at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. This win propels Arsenal 4 points clear at the top of the Premier League, although Manchester City, holding 2 games in hand, still poses a significant threat to their title hopes. Bukayo Saka and Kai Havertz shone brightly, contributing crucial goals that ultimately helped seal the deal for the Gunners. From the outset, Arsenal displayed tactical shrewdness, especially from the set pieces. The opening goal came from an unfortunate own goal by Pierre-Emile Hojbjerg, who deflected Saka's corner into his own net. Saka wasn't done yet, as he dazzled the Spurs defense before adding a second goal with a brilliant finish from a fast-paced counter-attack. The young England winger was absolutely pivotal, not just scoring by continuously unsettling Spurs' backline. Kai Havertz then extended the lead with a header, again highlighting Arsenal's effectiveness from set pieces, a theme that has been a cornerstone of their strategy this season. However, the game was far from over as Tottenham mounted a comeback in the second half. Tottenham Hotspur's Christian Romero capitalized on a rare mistake from Arsenal goalkeeper David Raya, making it 3-1 and reigniting hope for the home fans. The drama peaked when Heung-min Son scored from the penalty spot in the dying minutes, following a VAR decision setting up a nail-biting finish. Despite Tottenham's late surge, Arsenal's defense held firm, securing a victory that keeps their title hopes alive and intensifying the pressure on Pep Guardiola's Manchester City. This result is a significant testament to Arsenal's resolve and tactical prowess, particularly in high-pressure games. The importance of this victory cannot be overstated, as it not only gives them a slight buffer over City, but also injects a massive boost of confidence into the team and its supporters. Arsenal's next fixtures are crucial, and they will need to maintain this level of performance to fend off the challenge from a relentless Manchester City. For Tottenham, this defeat is a tough pill to swallow, especially in their quest for a top 4 finish. They now face an uphill battle with crucial games against Chelsea and Liverpool up next. The season is far from over, and every match from now on is a final for both teams. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Tottenham Hotspur took a total of 14 shots, in which 2 of them were on target, while Arsenal took a total of 9 shots, in which 3 of them were on target. Tottenham Hotspur had 63% of possession, while Arsenal had 37% of possession. Tottenham Hotspur commit 12 fouls, while Arsenal commit 16 fouls. Tottenham Hotspur got 2 yellow cards, while Arsenal got 1 yellow card. So that's all for today guys. What do you think of the match? Do you believe Arsenal has what it takes to clinch the title, or will City come back strong in their remaining games? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our breakdown, and subscribe for more Premier League action. Until next time, thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.